I'm James Zanewicz of Connect here at BLPN during JPM Healthcare Week, and it's my pleasure to sit down with my longtime friend and colleague, Chandi Bandara. Got it? I get it. You have a name like mine where it's easy to remember, but hard sometimes too. I want to catch up with you though, because it's been a minute since you have got a chance to chat. And first though, a lot of folks are new to BLPN. They may not know you yet, which is hard to imagine. But give us a little bit about your background, your journey, how you got to where you are today.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, James. It's really good to sit down with you again.
I know, right?
Yeah, it's great. Good to catch up. Chandi Bandara, CEO of Precision Quantomics, founding member of BLPN, BLPN as we call it now.
Building legendary professional networks.
Yes, great. No, it's a great journey being part of the BLPN, BLPN. So I started my career as a research and development scientist, and went in to do a really good success in the business development, building other companies. But then I wanted to run my own company. So I'm being a startup entrepreneur for last 7 years. My mission had been in bringing innovative technologies to marketplace.
Right.
Precision Quantomics is one of those companies that we are building. It's been great being part of the BLPN, sharing our story, helping each other. So be part of it.
Very nice. And so what are you working on right now that has you most excited? Like when you get up every day, what are you like, this is the thing that I'm tackling today?
Yeah. So one of the major inefficiencies, I haven't seen this in any other industry. In pharmaceutical drug development, there's 90% failure rate when you're bringing a drug to marketplace. Two different reasons. One is the toolkit that we have is really 30 years old to collect information when these drugs are being used in vitro systems and animal models. They themselves, animal models and in vitro systems, are not the best suited to understand the translation into human biology. But the toolkit is really old also, so you are not getting enough data to understand how these drugs would react in human populations. So what we are addressing is by bringing in a new tool, leveraging on LC-MS as a technology, for pharmaceutical companies to buy off the shelf some of these the assays we have and incorporate it into their drug development workflow to get additional layer of information. Now we are associating it with an in silico platform that's also to get them to benchmark those data. Now that's what I'm excited mostly about.
And so as you know, because you've helped so many BLPN members yourself, but this is your moment where you get to ask for help. So how can the BLPN members help you with what you're working on right now?
No, great. Yeah, thank you. And we've been amazingly blessed to be part of a BLPN. I've been in the Moneyball program, which tremendously helped me as an entrepreneur to bring my story and share it with the wider audience, and how to do that, right? And it's a great opportunity. I recommend anybody who are an entrepreneur to join BLPN and use the resources that we have to help each other.
And the exposure too, which is incredible that the BLPN offers to folks.
Right, absolutely. And before coming into JPM, I've been contacted by many who are in my network or not in my network, getting to know about me coming to JPM through BLPN.
Isn't that incredible?
That is incredible. So I've been helped so much already.
But everyone can always need more help.
Right.
So what now?
So anybody, we have been fortunate to work with large pharmaceutical companies, but I think what excites me the most is the small pharmaceutical companies, the startups, trying to use our assays or the platform to get additional layer of data, because they are the ones who can't go through that 90% failure rate. So anybody who's out there knowing the pharmaceutical companies, the small pharmaceutical companies who has the drug development programs, who can use our products or service to get additional layer of information, so they have a higher chance of success. Happy to work with them, happy to collaborate with them as a BLPN member or as another company trying to build, right? So anybody else there that pass the message, that would be great.
So anyone who knows someone like that should make an introduction to you.
Absolutely.
And so what's the best way for them to get in touch with you to do that?
Through BLPN, or even we would have maybe my email address along with the video as well. They can contact me through email or LinkedIn.
Nice.
Good old LinkedIn.
So one of the fun things I've thrown in this year, so when people do that, to let you know that they've watched this whole video, what is like a code word, a fun fact, something they can throw in there where you're like, oh, they actually do know about Chandi and I should reply to them quicker. So what's some of the? Well, I had one person say, just rate your favorite animal. It could be dumb or super serious. Like what's something for you?
I would say maybe like another. Can I say BLPN?
Yeah,
BLPN, Chandi. Yeah,
right. BLPN. That's why. Yeah,
that I know. Yeah, great.
And that'll make Josh very happy. That's his favorite thing when we have the branding in there.
Yeah.
So you should get a gold star from Josh for that answer.
Thank you. And also, it's a way for others to know about BLPN too,
absolutely.
which I think I've been very thankful for. Yeah.
Awesome. Chandi, thank you so much for sitting down once again. I always love spending time with you.
Yeah.
You're always the sharpest jacket in the room. I love it.
Except for you.
Oh, your jacket's better than mine today. I am aware.
Thank you.
But anyway, thank you again. I hope you have a great JPM week.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to doing this again, maybe at Bio. We'll sit down again.
Yeah. Thank you so much, James. Yeah.